Well, I've explained before that, in the immediate week after being excluded from government, I resolved to retire on every second week since then. I've resolved to continue.
Okay.
So I have to resolve that. I will be 67 by the time the next Dáil convenes. And obviously that's a factor, and other factors.
What about the fact that Eamon Gilmore has decided he's not contesting? Ruairi Quinn's obviously retiring as well, and having all been dropped from cabinet last year.
Well, I mean, a couple of people have put that to me as if it was the first time we've ever seen somebody retiring from the Dáil. I mean, every Dáil has a number of people who retire.
But you're all Labour, you're all former cabinet ministers.
Yeah, and it's a phenomenon that has happened before. Except in those days, the grand old party, Fianna Fáil, used to dominate politics, and you could have 2 or 3 cabinet ministers retiring. To be honest, what my 2 colleagues have done is not going to be the deciding factor for me.
You said every second week you change your mind, so what's it this week?
I haven't looked into my heart yet.
We'll do it there now.
But I promise you I might before the week is out, yeah.
Okay, all right. Pat Rabbitte, thank you very much.
Not.
Cheers.